Here we have AP calculus AB problem. There is a definite integral given over here. That is integral 0 to 4 negative x dx. So here this function is being integrated with respect to x from x equals to 0 to 4. So here we have 4 answer choices. So in each answer choice we have a figure which represents the result of this definite integral. And also when I go over the options here, I have an area between a curve and x-axis from x is equal to 0 to some value. Like in the first figure, so we have an area between this line and x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x equals to 4. In the second one, the same thing, but the limits are different. That is x equals to 0 to like it's about 1.4. Okay. So here, whenever I evaluate a definite integral with respect to x, we have to understand. So we find the area between the curve represented by the function we have over here and x-axis from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4. So first, let's identify the figures where we have the limits x equals to 0 to 4. So in the first one, the starting value of x is 0, the ending value of x is 4. So the same limits what we have in the integral over here. Okay, now let's go to second option. So x equals to 0 and here x equals to 1.4. So this is not correct because in the given integral, we have limits for x 0 to 4. But here we have 0 to 1.4 approximately. And in this picture, we have x equals 0 to x equals to 2. So this is also not correct. And in this one also is not correct because x equals to 0 to x equals to 2. So only in the first figure, we have the limits for x, that is x equals 0 to x equals to 4. And also we can make sure, so the graph of this function is a straight line that we have over here. We can write this 4 negative x as a function, that is f of x equals to 4 negative x. And we can replace this f of x by y, and also we can write this 4 negative x as a negative x positive 4. So in order to get the slope, it has a form equation of line. So because it is in the form of y equals to mx positive b, so the m is equal to -1, that is the slope, and b equals to 4. The y coordinate of the y-intercept is 4. Since the slope is -1, the line given by this function has to be a falling line with the y-intercept 0, 4. So clearly it's a falling line. So because the slope is negative and the y-intercept over here is 0, 4. And also we can check one more thing in this equation. If I want to get the x-intercept over here, so what I have to do is I have to plug in y equals to 0. When I plug in y equals to 0, I'm getting negative x positive 4. When I add x to both sides, I'm getting x equals to 4. So the x-intercept is 4, 0. So that we have over here clearly is 4, 0. So the correct answer choice for this question is the first one, that is over here. Okay, now we can answer this question, that is use the geometric formula to evaluate the integral. So as I said earlier, the evaluation of this definite integral will give you the area between the curve given by the function we have over here and the x-axis from x equals to 0 to 4. So already we have decided the first one is correct. So here in this picture, we have a right triangle with the base of 4 units and height 4 units. So the geometric formula to get area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So base is 4 and the height is also 4 by 2. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 square units. So the evaluation of the given integral is equal to 8.